Good morning and good day sa lahat ng ating mga viewers today. So, sa lahat po ng mga nag-request and nagda-demand ng tutorial video on how to make or on how to have an account in BTC Venture. So, ito, gagawa po tayo today. And step by step, isituturo po namin sa inyo kung paano nga ba magkaroon ng account sa BTC Venture. Okay? So, let's start. Unang-una po sa lahat, para magkaroon ka ng account sa BTC Venture, dapat meron ka munang account sa coins.ph. So, puntahan po natin ngayon ang coins.ph. That is coins.ph. Okay? Pag nasa site ka ng coins.ph, just click Get Started. Kung meron ka ng account, mas maganda. Pero kung wala pa, you can sign up for free. Okay? So, let's sign up. So, dito, yung email na ilalagay mo is kailangan totoo. It should be verified. Okay? Then, choose a password. Yung password mo, kailangan is ikaw lang talaga nakakaalam. It should be unique. And walang ibang tao yung pwedeng makapagbukas nito. Okay? Kaya dapat kailangan totoo and kaya dapat kailangan verified yung account mo sa email mo. Kasi mag-send po sila doon ng verification code to verify that it is really you. Just copy the verification code and then paste it here para mag-verify. Now, you already have your account in coins.ph. Now, itong icon po na ito na nakikita po natin ngayon, this is a wallet address. Click this, and then may lalabas po ng mga code. This is your Bitcoin wallet address. Dapat makopy mo ito and ma-save. Again, dapat makopya at ma-save. Palagi. Dapat nakasave po ito sa inyo kasi mahalaga po itong Bitcoin address na ito. Itong wallet address na ito. Mamaya malalaman po natin kung para saan ba itong wallet address na ito. Okay. So now, when you already have your account in coins.ph, go back to BTC Venture. It is btcventure.net. Ito po yung pinaka-website po natin. Or, if yung friend mo, nirefer ka sa BTC Venture, for sure, meron siya sa yung ibibigay na referral link. Just click the link, and then lalabas na rin dito, and mapupunta ka naman na directly sa BTC Ventures website. Okay. Once na nandito ka na, and mag-open ka na ng account, just click open an account, and then, magre-register na po tayo. So, your full name. Okay, this is just an example, okay? Gawa po tayo ng account. And then, your email address. Yung email address, again, kailangan verified po. Dapat connected po ito sa coins.ph mo, and then sa totoong ginagamit mong mga accounts talaga. Kasi, dito po nagsasend si btcventure.net ng lahat ng updates, yung kinikita mo, kung may nagsasign up din ba under you, dyan mo macha-check lahat. Okay? So then now, create a username. Create ka ng username na unique talaga na kapag magla-login ka, is ito lang yung ilalagay mo. Change magical password. And then here, you're going to see na kailangan mo maglagay ng Bitcoin address. Diba kanina, is pinakita po natin sa inyo kung saan ba yung Bitcoin address natin, right? So, punta lang po ulit tayo dito sa coins.ph. I-copy po natin yung Bitcoin address natin. And then, paste po natin dito. And then, submit form. Please type your email back. Okay, hindi pala sila mag-further. Okay. So now, registration completed. So, meron ka ng account. Again, yung account, yung pag-sign up o yung pag-register ng account, free lang po ito. Magbabayad ka lang once na gusto mo na pong simulan kumita. So, you may now log in your account. So, log in your username and then enter your password. So, ito, meron na po tayong account sa BTC Ventures. Once na decided ka na and gusto mo lang simulan yung pagkita, punta ka lang dito sa Make a Deposit. Dito, pwede kang pumili ng plan. Okay? Yung first plan, meron tayo dito tinatawag na daily withdrawable investment. Dito, pwede mong ma-withdraw yung investment mo anytime. Kasama yung interest, kasama na rin yung pinaka-principal mo. You'll get 1.67 daily profit kung sa plan A ka. That is from $10, minimum of $10 to $1,000. And then kung plan 2 naman, that is $1,001 up to $10,000. Sa plan 2, you'll get 2% daily profit. Next is yung daily income in a month investment. Dito, you have 3 plans. Yung plan 1 is $10 up to $1,000 and 5% daily. Yung pwede mong kitain. In plan 2, that is $1,001 to $5,000 and you'll get 6% daily profit. Then on plan 3, that is $5,001 up to $10,000 and then you'll get 7% daily profit. In daily income in a month investment, dito pwede mong ma-withdraw lahat ng kinikita mo, minimum of $10. Yes, as long as mayroon $10 sa account mo, pwede mo siya ma-withdraw. Okay? Then, we have monthly lock-in investment. Dito, naka-lock-in siya ng isang buwan. Okay? Plan 1, $1,001 up to $5,000, 200% yung monthly profit ng investment mo. In plan 2, that is $5,001 up to $10,000, you'll get 225 monthly profit. Plan 3, that is $10,001 up to $50,000, you'll get 250% monthly profit. So, we have promo package, 8 day 8% daily interest. So we have plan 1, $100 up to $1,000. That is 5% daily profit. And plan 2, that is $1,001 up to $10,000. That is 8% daily profit. This is only a promo package. So, ang regular packages talaga is yung tatlo lang. Okay? So, let's say, ang pinili mo is yung daily income in a month investment. Siya yung pinili mo. Now, dito sa deposit form, kunwari, you will deposit or invest $100. Bitcoin, wala namang ibang payment processor dyan. And then, proceed. So just fill out this required information. Your username, it is jmagical. And then again, your Bitcoin address used to make deposit. Dito, ilalagay mo yung wallet address mo. Kung paano ka ba mag-deposit. So, doon sa coins.ph mo, dito sa coins.ph mo, kung makikita mo, andito yung pinaka-pera mo muna. So, dito sa coins.ph, dapat malagyan mo yung account mo dito ng pera. How? Paano ba magkaroon ng pera yung coins.ph mo? You can add money through 7-Eleven, BDO Bank, Globe GCash, and Liwilier. Or, maraming options. Mamimili ka lang dyan. Okay. Ang pinaka-convenient is yung 7-Eleven kasi instant. Once na nakapagbayad ka ng 7-Eleven, instantly you will get your load. Okay? So, let's say meron ng load or meron na pong laman yung coins.ph mo. All you have to do is mag-send or mag-transfer ng pera doon kay BTC Venture. Tama? So, let's say you will transfer $100. Diba? Ang $100 sa peso, that is more or less that is 4,700 or 4,600. Then dito, yung pagsasendan mo is yung BTC Venture, right? Dito sa BTC Venture, dito sa kinilik mo kanina, lalabas yung pinaka-Bitcoin address ni BTC Venture. So, all you have to do is to copy the wallet address of BTC Venture and then paste it here. So, pwede ka maglagay ng message. BTC Venture Investment. Then, kita nyo, please enter an amount within your current wallet balance of 0 PHP. So, invalid siya kasi wala pa naman talaga yung wallet mo. Okay? So, once na okay na, nailagay mo na yung Bitcoin address, just click this para makapag-transfer ka ng pera. But since wala pa naman po naman talaga yung wallet address na ginamit natin, yung account ng coins.ph na ginamit natin is hindi tayo makakapag-send. Okay? So, this is just an example.